Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial, I will explain whether you can link Cash App with Western Union and what your options really are if you are trying to send or receive money between the two platforms. To start off, it's important to know that you can't directly link Cash App to Western Union. There's no official integration between the two, so you don't find any features in either app that allows you to transfer money back and forth. Next, let's talk about the Cash App virtual card. That's the free Visa debit card you get with your Cash App's account for online and in-store purchase. Unfortunately, Western Union doesn't accept this virtual card when trying to send money. Many users have reported the transaction get rejected, especially when trying to pay through Western Union website or app. Also, there is no direct option inside the Cash App to send funds to Western Union. Likewise, the Western Union app doesn't give you an option to link a Cash App account or send money to one. So if you're hoping to move funds between the two apps directly, that won't work either. That's for today. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.